All right, today we're going to bring a digital drum set. Now, let's take a look at the actual drum set, how accurate it sounds. Now, when I first started as a kid, I took drum lessons, but that was a long time ago. But I still have a drum machine, and it's nothing like compared to this. So we're going to take a look at this and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's take a look at the drum set kit itself. All right, they give the USB. This is how you power it up. All right. And then on top of that, they give you 2 foot pedals. This is going to be for the bass, guys. If you rock and roll and you like to, if you're familiar with drums, this is what you're going to require. 2 foot pedals. Normally it's just 1, but today we're doing rock and roll, so there's 2. They give you an extension connection. If you don't want to make too much noise, you want to use your headset, you can do that. It's a 3.5 jack, including, look at this, guys, including the drumsticks. So we're going to put it together, play some tunes. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to play a little bit songs. I just want you to see all the chords, how sensitive it is. And then I got the pedals on the bottom. That's pretty much it. But let's go ahead and try different themes. Click. Kit. Could go with the click. We could stop. We could click off. Click it off. Go to specials. Stop. Play. Let's go try special again. Try kit again. Let's do a demo. The demo plays automatically. It's pretty cool. Stop the demo. Stop the demo volume. You got your volume keys. And then on the side here, you got your off and on. Off button. Your on button. And then you have directly to connect to an MP3. And you can play it or save stuff directly to it. So if you're playing music, or you're gonna do music, this is pretty cool. Now, just a reminder that these are very sensitive, so even if you fold it just a little bit, it's gonna make some noise. The foot pedals, the cord, this needs to be closer to you in order to ensure that the foot pedals can reach your floor, right? Because if this is out of reach, the foot pedals are gonna be reachable. So just to let you guys know. So overall, I hope you guys enjoy the video.